Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. CMC Athena. The CMC Athena is an Italian motorhome that redefines luxury on the road. Boasting an expansive 1076. It's booked to floor space it rivals even the most lavish apartments inside. It seamlessly lends functionality with elegance, offering ample room for work or leisure, whether it's hosting a business meeting, a dinner party, or simply unwinding after a long day. The Athena delivers with style packed with essential appliance. Crawler OTAG 385 is a rugged German-made expedition SUV that's built to tackle off-road terrain, while providing comfortable living quarters designed for up to 5 occupants. It features a well-equipped kitchen with a 3-burner stove and a large fridge, along with a bathroom, complete with a shower sink and toilet, with modern amenities such as a smart TV, LED lighting, air and water, heating systems and solar panels. It's ready for extended. Valentino Rossi Motorhome. Picture this: Valentino Rossi, the famous Italian motorcycle racer, has a super cool motorhome designed just for him by a Spanish company called Rioja. Now here's the kicker: even if you've got the cash, you can't buy this bad boy because it's custom made for Rossi himself. From the outside it might look a bit plain with its black color and straight lines. But step inside and you'll be blown away. It's like stepping into a sleek modern apartment on wheels. The interior is all about style and minimalism, nothing like your average motorhome, and get this, thanks to some nifty sliding design, it's way roomier inside than you'd expect.
Pyramid. The Waya Pyramid is a futuristic, eco-friendly floating villa that offers a truly unique living experience. Part of the luxurious Heart of Europe project in Dubai, this houseboat features 3 stunning decks: the sky deck, sea deck, and submarine deck. On the sky deck, you'll find a sun lounge, outdoor dining area, and a jacuzzi, all designed for relaxation. The sea deck includes a kitchen, living area, and stairs that lead you to the water. The most remarkable feature is the submarine deck, where you can enjoy breathtaking views of marine life and coral reefs from the 2 underwater bedrooms and bathrooms. The W Pyramid is an architectural marvel that offers a living experience like no other. Prices typically start at $4.7 million, with more luxurious models going even higher. This unique floating villa offers the ultimate in underwater living, combining luxury, style, and environmental consciousness for an unforgettable experience on the water. Hart Yachting. Hart Yachting is known for building luxurious and custom-made houseboats that offer a floating paradise. They offer boats ranging in size from 30 to 60 feet, all designed with modern features. These boats come with everything you could want for comfort, like air conditioning, heating, a full kitchen, and a cozy living area. The boat also has a fly bridge for stunning views, and its advanced propulsion system, including a diesel engine and bow and stern thrusters, makes navigation much easier. These houseboats are perfect for taking in the scenery while relaxing on the water. On average, these boats cost about $200,000, but the price can vary depending on the design and features. With Hart Yachting, you get high-quality craftsmanship, luxurious interiors, and a stylish design that makes every trip on the water feel like a 5-star vacation. These houseboats are built to offer both comfort and elegance while cruising on any lake. Motorola Adaptive Display Concept. At Lenovo Tech World 2023, Motorola unveiled its exciting prototype, the Adaptive Display Concept, a flexible smartphone that can even be wrapped around your wrist, transforming into a smartwatch. This smartphone offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to adjust its shape based on your needs. In its standard form, the device features a 6.9-inch screen, but when bent, it reduces to a more compact 4.6 inches, making it easier to carry or use in various modes. This dual functionality eliminates the need for a stand when watching videos, offering added convenience. Although it remains a prototype, the Motorola adaptive display concept shows the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. Flyway Hydrofoil E Ski. The Flyway Hydrofoil E Ski, developed by David Vukovic, is a groundbreaking watercraft known for its propeller drive system. Unlike traditional jet skis, this innovative design functions as a stand-up water motorbike or scooter, offering a unique and thrilling water experience. It features a modular design that disassembles easily for convenient transportation. The Flyway is equipped with a monitor to track speed and battery consumption, while its handlebars also serve as a rudder for easy control. The hydrofoil design reduces water friction by up to 70%, significantly conserving energy. Additionally, an integrated Bluetooth speaker lets riders stream music from their phone, enhancing the overall experience. Available in classic and premium versions, the Flyway offers an eco-friendly and efficient way to enjoy the water.
Ker Continental, introducing the perfect motorhome for travelers who want the freedom of a motorhome without giving up their car. Made by the German company Ker, this luxury RV is built on a Mercedes-Benz truck chassis and comes fully loaded with everything you could ask for. Inside you'll find a sleek living room, a dining area, with a small kitchen, a cozy lounge area, a bathroom, and a master bedroom with a king-size bed, and a skylight. And here's the cool part, there's even a garage compartment for your smart car. The living room can comfortably seat up to 5 people. The front of the truck has seats for 4 more, perfect for easy conversations. One of the coolest features of the Continental is the lateral Ker pop-out, which extends the living area by almost a meter when it's moved above the ground to 7 meters.
Timbercraft Big Sky. Imagine if you're looking for a cozy home on wheels. The Sky is just what you need with 37 cm of pure comfort. It's designed to meet all your needs. This rustic style home measures 13 by 3 m and has everything you could ask for, including a washer and dryer, dishwasher, refrigerator and stove. Inside you'll find a porch, living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and even an attic for overnight guests. Production takes about 14 to 16 weeks and the price is around $100,000. Get ready for the ultimate mobile luxury experience with the Big Sky, where comfort and convenience come together on the road. If you're all about compact adventures, this is the camper for you. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment.